Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Red Dead Redemption 1. My goal here is to record every main story mission, including this one, even though it's almost, well, it's not much of a mission. Let's just say that. So this is Bonnie McFarlane, and this mission this is Armadillo, U.S.A. And so she's basically asking him to drive her to town. I thought I could just jump on right here, but no, you have to go around. Be on your side. That makes sense. So we hop up here, and we've already driven a wagon, but it's yet another tutorial type of mission. I keep waiting through this section that we're going to get attacked by somebody. Something big's going to happen. It can't just be riding into town, but guess what? It sure enough is just riding into town. Little yellow X shows me where to stop. That triggers the visuals, and she is telling him to go across to the doctor's office and pick up some medication. The medication is actually for him, so she pays for it. And I think this just opens up the portion of the game to show you that you can use the doctor's office to buy medications and things like that. It also is going to introduce us to the stagecoach travel system in the game. So those are really the two purposes. I just feel like there's so many little tutorials here. I had forgotten now, going back to play this 14 years later. So there's only 3 things to buy. The medicine, which is free because Bonnie's paid for it. There's some Deadeye tobacco, $35. That's expensive. And an apple for $1. So I pick up an apple while I'm here. That tobacco is not good for you. It actually does affect, later on in the game, it does it can have some effects on his health. But it does improve his Deadeye, which is weird. But so picked up the medication. We head back over to the mercantile where she asked us to meet her. And here it's strange. She asked him to drive her to town, and now she says, you stay here and pick up a ride on the stagecoach later. Like, I don't have a choice. It does come across strange. What if I don't want to? What if I'm tired? What if I just want to head back home? But don't have a choice here. And if you want to leave Armadillo, there are usually stagecoaches loading and unloading behind the freight station. So that is clearly the goal, and that's what I do. I'll catch you next time. For now, Mr. Johns is out.